Today's word is something you hear everywhere in Turkey. It's short, it's powerful, and it's super versatile. I'm talking about the word yeah. You've probably heard it a million times if you've been around Turkish people. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. Yeah is one of the most common words in Turkish, and it can mean so many different things depending on the situation. It's like a magic word that Turkish people use to express emotions, get attention, or even just fill in the gaps when they're thinking. So, how do they use it? Let's dive in. First, yeah is great for getting someone's attention. You can start a sentence with yeah when you want to make sure the other person is listening. For example,
Ya, dinle beni. Ya, dinle beni.
hey, listen to me.
Ya, sana bir şey söyleyeceğim. Ya, sana bir şey söyleyeceğim.
Hey, I have something to tell you. It's like saying hey in English. When something surprising or unbelievable happens, you can use yeah to show your reaction. Like,
Ya, gerçekten mi? Ya, gerçekten mi?
it's similar to saying no way, really? Or wow, really in English. Sometimes, when people are thinking or trying to find the right words, they use yeah to fill the silence. It's a bit like or well in English. For example,
Ya, bilmiyorum. Ya, bilmiyorum.
well, I don't know. It gives you a moment to think. The word yeah can be used as a conjunction to connect two clauses, often showing contrast or offering options. For example,
Ya şimdi gelirsin ya da bir daha konuşmam. Ya şimdi gelirsin ya da bir daha konuşmam.
when you're frustrated or annoyed, yeah helps you express your feelings. For example,
Ya ne yapıyorsun? Ya ne yapıyorsun?
it's like saying, ugh, what are you doing? You can use yeah to add extra emphasis to your sentences. For example,
Ya gerçekten bunu sevmiyorum. Ya gerçekten bunu sevmiyorum.
look, I really don't like this. It makes your point stronger and shows how you feel. Yeah can also be used to start a conversation or to change topics. It's like a transition word, similar to so or well in English. For example,
Ya dün ne oldu biliyor musun? Ya dün ne oldu biliyor musun?
so, do you know what happened yesterday? Yeah can make requests sound softer or more polite. It adds a friendly tone, like in,
Ya lütfen gel. Ya lütfen gel.
come on, please come. So, as you can see, yeah is a tiny word with a lot of power. It's casual, flexible, and can be used in so many different situations. Next time you hear it, you'll know exactly what's going on. And if you're learning Turkish, try using it yourself. It'll make you sound super natural, and trust me, people will be impressed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Turkish language tips. See you next time, Arkadaşlar.